Hey guys, LG recently teased a dual-screen smartphone for the launch at IFA 2019. While that is expected to be the upcoming V series smartphone, LG appears to be readying up another smartphone which is reportedly labeled as LG G8X ThinQ, as the renders of some information about the device has now been leaked online. The LG G8X ThinQ will be a successor to the LG G8 ThinQ, which was launched in February with some minor changes. First up, the LG 8X will feature a 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus OLED screen with a water drop notch instead of wide notch that came with the LG G8 ThinQ. As per the leaks and pictures obtained from OnLeaks and PriceBaba, the back of the phone will retain a dual camera setup aligned horizontally. The camera module is accompanied by a flash and other sensors. The presence of the water drop notch means there is no room for 3D face unlock, neither is there a fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone. This could mean that LG could be using an in-display fingerprint scanner on the front. The front of the LG 8X also show an earpiece on the top of the front camera, meaning LG is letting go of the Crystal Sound OLED speaker which produce sound through the innards of the display. Considering it as an enhanced version of G8, the G8X could be powered by the same Snapdragon 855 chipset as its predecessor, or the Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is a recent powerful chipset from Snapdragon. LG has scheduled its release in the IFA 2019 conference on September 6, and we can expect that LG G8X ThinQ to be announced in that event, or even it may be launched there. So this is all the updates and information received about the LG G8X. Hope you like this phone and waiting for this phone. What do you feel about this phone? Please comment in the comment section. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.